Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I will show you about new update Scarlet for iOS. Install IPA files on iPhone or iPad using Scarlet without computer. Let's make it quick. First of all, open your Safari browser. Then go to website scarletinstall.bio.link. This is my website. I have put new update about eSign or Scarlet in this website. Then, scroll down. Click Scarlet Install section. Click Scarlet Kotak to install new Scarlet on your device. And download. Please wait till the Scarlet downloading success. After that, click the Scarlet icon. If you see Untrusted Developer, you have to verify it by going to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust or Allow and restart. After restarting, you are ready to open and use Scarlet. Launch Scarlet app. Go to tab Sideload. Then click and hold this button on the right corner. Click Manage Cert. On this section, you need to import a certificate to Scarlet if you want to install IPA files using Scarlet. So go back to the website. Then download this certificate for Scarlet. Download and save to your Files app. Then open the certificate on Files app. Extract the zip files. Go back to Scarlet app. Then click Import Cert. Select the certificate that you extracted earlier. Import certificate P12 and mobile provision. And then insert the password. Now, you are ready to install any IPA files. Click this button again. Then import IPA files that want to install. For example, I want to install Roblox Delta Executor using Scarlet. Click Install and it will automatically installed on your device. As you can see, I have successfully installed IPA files using Scarlet. Okay, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.